check out my new Acerbis handguards. Hey, welcome to the channel, Jen here. Today I'm going to install my new Acerbis handguards. They look pretty sweet. Dave just put some on the XT. They look pretty sweet on that, so join me and we'll limp through this together. In case you're curious, these are the X Factor handguards. Let's start by taking off the existing handguards that were installed at the dealership at Eurocycle. It looks like it's going to be pretty easy. Maybe. So as you can see, this one, I've kind of bent it up, tipping the bike over a couple of times, and it also has a pretty good crack in it right here. So it is time to replace. I am excited about the new ones because they have 2 contact points, both on the end and in here somewhere. Hopefully that doesn't make difficulty to install too hard, but they're definitely going to be a little bit more complicated than these were. That bolt might be bent in there. Back out here. That seems to be better than it was. Maybe it'll come off now. Oh man. That is better. We've got...
Oh, that bent when you wrecked, huh? Look at that.
Right there. Glad it didn't break off in there. This would have been...
Yeah, right.
I don't know. This would have been like not happening. All right, here's what came with it. That's a bag of fun. I'm gonna figure out what these are in a minute. There's the guards themselves, and this is what'll keep it all sturdy. These parts here I will not be needing because they would have normally fit together like so and been put in there, and when the bolt was screwed in it would have put pressure to expand that out and hold it in there, but I've already got a receiver so I don't need these. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. At least a little ways. That way I can see where to line this up over here. I don't know the official name for this part, but it did come with the previous handguards that were on there. I'm just going to call it a spacer, and I am going to go ahead and use it because it puts the other end over here where it needs to be without interfering with anything, so I don't have to take anything off the bike. And that still just screws in like so, so that's nice. Alright, looks like all these take a number 5 Allen wrench.
What have you done so far, Jen?
Alright, well I went ahead and put the mounting hardware on there already, but it's just this piece and this piece. We're going to put those on the other side here in a minute. And they've got these silver pieces on the inside. These are just adapters to adapt them to your handlebar size. The kit has a thin one and a thick one. This is for 22 millimeter handlebars. This is for 28 millimeter handlebars. I can't say that. But these seem to work for the Himalayan. So we're going to go with the 22 millimeter adapters. We've got them in there. We've got our screw started. It's not super tight. Went ahead and put that on, and I got this bolt lined up. This one's lined up. Everything's looking like it's in the place that it needs to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one thing out at a time, put some Loctite in and get things tightened up. Kit comes with 6 total of these screws. These screws are what attach the plastic guard to the metal frame. I'm gonna go ahead and get that put on right now so that I make sure that I have this placed exactly where I want it before I Loctite and tighten everything up. I've put just a dab of the blue Loctite on the ends of the threads there. Blue is reversible, but it won't come out. Ta-da! Side number 2. We thought it was going to be quite a bit more difficult, but looks like that went on there okay. So once I get it all lined up, hopefully it all lines up. All right. Look at that. It appears that it's going to. All right, let's get some bolts loosely put in there and get going. All right, we'll get this started over here. This lined up over here, maybe. All right, I'm gonna get these 2 sides lined up and just loosely put that one in as well. we've got everything on there where it's supposed to be. It looks like it's going to line up just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and start backing out some stuff, putting some Loctite on some bolts and get them screwed back in there. We're just finishing up the second one here. Got everything all tightened up, placed where I want it. They feel pretty solid.
So these spacers came with the other handguards, correct?
Yes, they did.
If you didn't have the spacers, do you think this would have been as easy install?
Definitely not as easy, because we would have had to, well, we would have had to take off the little bag here. Everything would have had to move up.
Doable,
I don't know.
though?
I mean, yeah, I think it'd be doable. A
Yeah.
little bit more interference over here.
Actually, I think it would have been just fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, we moved it down. Because that's about, oh, what, 2 inches right here? Spacer, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe not even. That's probably about 2 inches to get it down there, huh?
Yeah, I guess everything still would have.
It probably would have worked out just fine.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't have been a problem either. Install done, Jen?
Yep. Install complete. Everything is nice and tight. Looking good. I also just installed these awesome double take mirrors per your advice, and I'm really liking them. They're super easy to adjust and remove, and you can fold them in and fold them back out. And if something breaks on them, you can probably just replace this end piece pretty easy, right?
Yep.
Heck
So
yeah.
on a 1 to 10, how easy was the install on the handguards?
The handguards and the mirrors, like a 2 maybe. I mean, it took what, 30 minutes for these handguards? I
Yeah.
thought it was going to be a lot more complicated, honestly, when I saw that there was like another connector in here. But super simple.
And without these spacers, you still think it would have been quite simple?
Yeah, it would have been.
Yeah,
Might have been
I
a
do
little bit
too.
more of a tight space, but yeah, it totally would have been doable.
Well, there you have it.
All right, there you go. Acerbis X Factor handguards, all done and installed 30 minutes later. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It really helps us out. Jen out.